What I wanna get me opinionated peeps. So people, today is a good story in another video here. Because you know what, I always say honesty goes a far way. Sometimes it pays off much better than being dishonest. Yeah, believe me. And why me I talk about that right now is simply because of this video that I'm about to show you right here of a high school student who found a cell phone and went over and beyond to return it to its rightful owner. Family, check out this video right here.
Now, guess what? It could have taken my old phone and me go buy back a new phone, not true. But today, he's gonna get a new phone and me keep my old phone. How me sound? Alright. So, Mr. Rodin Green, we are here from the Community Safety and Security, not only to give you a phone, but to give you other stuff. We have some books we want to present to him. We have some books we want to present to him. And I also want to make this clear. I receive school supplies every year from abroad. And he is going to be one of the recipients who's going to get supplies every year. So you can't order a book, you can't order a pencil, you can't order nothing when it comes to school supplies. But guess what? He cannot leave. Because guess what? He have book and pens, not you. He might wear a bag, not you. So we are presenting also a school bag. And guess what? Now man, turn it round. We not buy no dibby. Me and God, we say, anything you want for myself, and you might get it too. But guess what now? He find me old phone and give him back, so guess what? We are giving him a new phone! No man, take it in the box and everything, make sure it's a new phone. You have to go for a new phone. Somebody come help him, no man, help him. Alright. Alright, good. Now you have books, you have bag, you have phone. You might want a phone card too, not true? So courtesy of digital, you get a phone card. And guess what too? You want phone card, not true? So you have a $1,000 credit, and guess what now? You're not done this up. Every month for 3 months you will get in a $1,000 credit to that phone. For 3 months. It's cheap enough, man. It's cheap everything now. So listen, the man want money if he come to school, not true? So the Community Safety and Security is giving him $10,000 as a staff. Alright? Put your hands together for the young man. You know what that teaches? That teaches you that honesty is the best policy. It is not finders keeper. When you find anybody's property, ensure try to establish the owner and give them back. Alright? Thank you very much. A lot of more stuff is coming too.
Alright, so that right there is the perfect example of being honest and how it can pay off for you in the end. Because you see it, him end up getting a brand new cell phone when him could have just keep the phone to himself and have a all used phone, you know. But in the end, he turned around and got a brand new cell phone, but not only a cell phone, other goodies as well. Me I go tell you know something. I was having a conversation with a young man a couple of years back, and the reason why we started having that conversation was because him did extremely upset at one of him friends who found a wallet which contained $1,000 US and a bunch of other IDs and, you know, bank card and stuff like that, and the friend turned it over to the police, right? Him get extremely upset and he must say, yo, if I did me find that, yo, woulda keep that because $1,000 they can go very far away from me. And me I say, brother, you can't look on it that way there. Because you see, being honest can work out better for you sometime. He must say, my youth are foolishness you talk because, yo, that $1,000 them could have used that right now. I say, alright then. But just remember, him turning over that right there, so him do the right thing. People may tell you know what I mean at the end. The youth was living a horrible life because his mother was poor, right? And then they live in a one room efficiency, right? And him could hardly even find lunch money for go to school and thing. The owner for the wallet where him find contacted him, and it wasn't even because of the $1,000 cash. The owner was just grateful that the IDs and bank card and all of them things that was returned to him. And what the owner do? After the owner found out about his living condition, the owner got a brand new apartment for the mother and the youth and the rest of his siblings them for living in. Right? Not only that, he was basically adopted in a sense to be a part of the people, them family. Them pay him for him college tuition, for him go to college, and they make sure say him and him family are right even up to this day. Now, I want to see exactly why I say being honest can pay off in some cases. So big up to the youth who found that cell phone and turn it over. And if you watch this right now and you know you come across certain things and you feel like, yo, me I go keep it to myself because finders, keepers, losers, weepers. No, sometimes you can go over and beyond to return it to its rightful owner. And you never know, it might just work out better for you in the end. People, talk to me in the comment section. Come here and hear your views, your thoughts, your opinion on this one right here. Because you know, as me always tell you, know, your opinion matters.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.